Alright, so I just made a video. The food was the mashed up meat with the garbanzo beans. It's called keema, I think in Arabic, my neighbor said. There's like, it's hard to understand. He only knows a little English, and my Arabic, I only know enough for my prayers. So, um, dude I just got done eating and he just brought over more. So we're about to open it. All he said was chicken. So it's some type of chicken. It looks like bread. Wrapped it up for me. They know how to cook over there, I'll tell you that. I don't. I wish I knew more Arabic, which I'm gonna start learning more. But oh, dude, this is insane. Roast chicken. Look at this. I'm assuming it's halal. Fire. Look at this. Look at this bread too. She probably made it herself. I think they make it. The one time I came home from work and he had left something on my door. It was this bread. It was like, you could tell it was homemade. It was so good. It had sesame seeds on it and some type of cheese. Man, but looks like I'm about to eat some chicken too tonight. Mashallah. Bismillah. Really good. Not seasoned heavily or anything. I'm sure she put some seasoning on it. But the roast on it's really good. Some basic roast chicken with some bread. You can't go wrong. Too bad Ben ain't here. He would be loving this. So your trick for some extra flavor. So we got some chilies here. I think these ones are Thai. I'm gonna, that's what I'm gonna do. This is about to be fire right here. Watch this. Got more chicken on. Just a little bit of the chili right there. Man, I got some parsley too. Fresh parsley. I had that in the fridge, so why not use it? Then, right, and then, right, the chili, the parsley, a little bit of that tahini. Got the tahini on deck. Love tahini. Let's bust this down. Bismillah. Through the roof. through the roof flavor. Oh, if we got a good shot there. I'm not the best with the camera. It's just good, man. It's good. This bread is, I'm more than likely going to say she made it homemade, his wife. All right, I'll make one more so you guys see. It's like a little taco I'm making. Get the chicken there. Get in with the tahini. Nah, I mean with the tahini. You heard? Definitely gotta get the parsley. I like parsley. And then the chili is setting it off. It's dried chili. I think that's a Thai one. And I let them sit out in the fridge and they ended up drying up. So you could still use them like that. It's good. Bismillah. So good. This is what I'm going to do. Next time he brings me some food, I'll do another video on it. It's kind of funny because I wasn't going to do a video on the last one because I didn't know the name of the food. And then I asked him when he got here. Like I said, there's that language barrier. It's kind of hard. But he came over with another plate, dude. Like, it's insane how much food he brings me. And sometimes I need it because I run out. Be running out of food, so it comes in handy. Be running out of food stamps, and don't have a lot of money, so I think that's God's way of looking after me. So, but that's it. Yeah, next time he does bring some food over, I'll do another video on his food. You know, I don't know if it's specifically, I don't know if his wife's from Iraq too. I know he said he was from Iraq, so this food is probably, you know, from that region. So.